29 times. 29 times he said, 29 बार उन्होंने बोला कि भैया मैंने सीज फायर करवाया है. अच्छा, अगर वो झूठ बोल रहे हैं तो अपने भाषण में यहां प्रधानमंत्री कह दें कि वो झूठ बोल रहे हैं. यहां पे अगर दम है तो यहां पे प्रधानमंत्री बोल दे कि ट्रंप झूठ बोल रहे हैं. If he has the courage, if he has the courage, if he has the courage of Indira Gandhi, let him say here, let him say here that Donald Trump, you're a liar. That you did not make a ceasefire and that we did not lose any planes. Let him say it here. If he has the courage. 50% भी है इंदिरा गांधी का तो यहां बोल दे. 50% होगा तो बोल देगा, बोल देंगे. सॉरी सर, एक साइड से 7th फ्लीट आ रही है, बोल दीजिए सर. सर मजा आ रहा है.
ऐसा नहीं
सर. अभी तो अभी तो मैंने ओपनिंग नहीं किया सर.
आपका समय
अभी तो मैं सेट हो रहा हूँ.
समय आपका कम.
अभी सेट हो रहा हूं सर. थोड़ी ढील दीजिए. अगर दम है, अगर सचमुच में दम है तो आज शाम यहां प्रधानमंत्री को कह देना चाहिए डोनाल्ड ट्रंप इज अ लायर. झूठ बोल रहा है डोनाल्ड ट्रंप.
Aim right, achieve big. At KR Mangalam University, we provide you the platform to turn your dreams into reality. At KR Mangalam University.
सर, एक नई चीज चली है, एक नया शब्द चला है, न्यू नॉर्मल. कि न्यू नॉर्मल है. एक्सटर्नल अफेयर्स मिनिस्टर नहीं है बट वो यूज करते हैं. भाषण में उन्होंने कहा कि सारे के सारे देशों ने टेररिज्म को कंडेम किया है. एब्सोल्युटली 100% करेक्ट. मगर उन्होंने यह नहीं बताया कि पहलगाम के बाद एक भी देश ने पाकिस्तान को नहीं कंडेम किया है. Not a single country has condemned Pakistan. Everybody has condemned terrorism. What does it mean? That the world is equating us with Pakistan. Earlier, when the UPA government was there, it was very clear Pakistan is promoting terrorism. And they used to condemn Pakistan for promoting terrorism. Now, not a single country has condemned. The DGMO of India was told by the government of India to ask for a ceasefire at 1:35 at night itself, on the night of Operation Sindoor. You told the Pakistanis exactly what you would do. You told them that we will not hit military targets. You told them we do not want escalation. Speaker sir, you imagine, दो लोगों के बीच में लड़ाई हो रही है, एक आदमी जाके दूसरे को घूंसा मारता है और फिर कहता है देखिए मैंने घूंसा मार दिया, अब एस्केलेशन नहीं कीजिए. मतलब आपने पाकिस्तान को डायरेक्टली अपनी पॉलिटिकल विल बता दी कि आपके पास लड़ने की पॉलिटिकल विल है ही नहीं, कि आप लड़ना ही नहीं चाहते हो. और ये डिफेंस मिनिस्टर ने कहा है कि हमने, डिफेंस मिनिस्टर यहां हाउस में कह रहे कि हमने पाकिस्तान से जाके कहा कि हमने आपको एक झापड़ मारा है मगर हम आपको और झापड़ नहीं मारेंगे. हम एस्केलेशन नहीं चाहते हैं, आप रिस्पॉन्ड नहीं कीजिए और हम मिलिट्री टारगेट नहीं मारेंगे. मीनिंग द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया informed the government of Pakistan that we have no political will. We don't want to fight. We have done this. We have just done this action. Surrender. Immediate surrender in 30 minutes. Yes. Now there is a second very important thing that Rajnath Singh ji said. Maybe he didn't mean to say this. He also said that he told the Pakistanis that we are not going to hit any of your military infrastructure. Now this is a very interesting fact, because, and I want you to listen carefully to this, I said freedom of maneuver, meaning freedom to the Air Force. Now listen to this quote very carefully. Captain Shiv Kumar, Defense Attaché, Indonesia, he says, I may not agree with him that India lost so many aircraft, but I do agree that we did lose some aircraft. And that happened only because, of the constraint given by the political leadership to not attack the military establishment and their air defense. Meaning you went into Pakistan, you attacked Pakistan, and you told our pilots, do not attack their air defense system. Meaning you told our pilots, go and attack and face the air defense system of Pakistan. Meaning you tied their hands behind their back. Right? And the defense minister has said this in Parliament House itself, that we told the Pakistanis that we are not going to attack their infrastructure. इन्होंने बोला publicly house में कि भैया हम आपके जो military infrastructure है, आपके air defense system को हम नहीं attack करेंगे, और दूसरे साइड से आप हमारे पायलट भेज रहे हो, क्या होगा? हवाई जहाज गिरेंगे. Right? So the point is, aircraft were lost. As this gentleman Shiv Kumar says, they were lost because of the constraint given by the political leadership to not attack the military and air defense infrastructure of the Pakistanis. मतलब आपने शुरू किया और शुरुआत में आपने उनको कह दिया कि भैया हमारे पास ना पॉलिटिकल विल है और ना हम आपके मिलिट्री इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर पर अटैक करेंगे, और फिर आपने हमारे पायलट से कहा जाके लड़ाई करिए, और नतीजा सारों को मालूम है. आप जवाब नहीं देना चाहते हो, मगर नतीजा सारों को मालूम है. अनिल चौहान जी कहते हैं, what was important was not the jet being down, but why they were being down. मतलब वो कह रहे हैं कि जरूरी सवाल ये है कि जेट गिरे क्यों. वो कह रहे गिरे तो ठीक है, मगर जरूरी सवाल है गिरे क्यों. और फिर उसके बाद कहते हैं what mistakes were made. The good part is we were able to understand the tactical mistake which we made, remedy, rectify and implement after 2 days. And we flew all our jets again, targeting at long range. I want to tell CDS Anil Chauhan ji that you made no tactical mistake. The Indian Air Force made no mistake. Yes. The mistake was made by the political leadership that said you cannot attack the military infrastructure. And Anil Chauhan ji must have the guts to say this. That my hands were tied behind my back and I was sent into a war, and my enemy was told by my own government that we will not attack your air defense system. So the Air Force is not to blame at all. In the 21st century, you send aircraft into a zone protected by air defense, they will come down. Now why? Why was the Pakistani government told at 1:35 that हम ना आपके इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर को अटैक करेंगे, ना आपके एयर डिफेंस को अटैक करेंगे? एस्केलेशन नहीं चाहते। मतलब हमने आपको थप्पड़ मारा है मगर दूसरा थप्पड़ नहीं मारेंगे। That is what it means. When we say we don't want escalation, it means मैंने एक थप्पड़ मारा, दूसरा नहीं मारूंगा, तीसरा नहीं मारूंगा, चौथा नहीं मारूंगा। Why? Because the goal of this exercise was to protect the Prime Minister's image. The goal of the exercise, because he has the blood of the people of Pahalgam on his hands, the goal of the exercise was to make sure that he used the Air Force to protect his image.